How to make extra money with a full-time job. As you can tell, web marketing is a fantastic way to make easy money. Because internet marketing is so huge, it makes even more money. Also, internet marketing has changed the way people make money. But a very interesting thing about internet marketing is how it is so unbelievably easy and everyone can make money online. Even the people who are not able to perform a computer can easily make money online. The first thing that you need to do is create your own website. Your website can be anything that is interesting to you. For example, if you like playing tennis, then you should develop a website about that specific subject. Secondly, you will need to create lots of content in the direction of your website. That means you will need to write a lot of articles about the subject that you have done. Thirdly, you will need to pick keywords that are related about the subject. Then you will need to get pages links towards a certain page. Once you are receiving clicks from Google, then you should consider getting Google AdSense. Because AdSense is a way for visitors to click on an advertisement and you get a portion of the revenue.